Everyone, it's me, Megs, and I'm feeling very Bobbiana, okay? But can we chit-chat about having discernment when it comes to dating when someone's pretending and being a master manipulator? So let's get ready using Nadula hair, and this is the, goodies that my package came with that I love so much. And this is the unit. It's a 12-inch Yaki straight texture bob. And I love a good bob, and I love the Yaki straight texture because it mimics my real texture when I have it blown out. So it has a beautiful blunt cut at the back, pre-plucked hairline, and pre-cut lace that I love, and the knots are really nice and small. I love that so much. And I can part it anywhere with a 7x5 closure. And this is good for me because I don't have to do much and great for beginners. All right, so let's get this face together for the day. And you guys, you watched my previous video about how I'm just so done with dating. And one of the biggest things for me when it comes to dating is how do I discern or have discernment for someone who's pretending, who's faking their personality, who's faking who they are to gain access to me, and putting up a real good act of manipulation to get me to drop my guard, to be more open and receptive to this person being in my life, and then ultimately disturbing all of my peace. That's a huge pet peeve of mine that I keep running into. How do you guys discern when someone's basically being fake? Because I keep running into non-genuine actors, and that leads to drama, emotional abuse, and confusion that I don't want anymore. So I'm done dating. Okay, so it's time to put this bad boy on. I am stretching my relaxer, and this is actually how the hair air dried. It air dried pretty smooth, so I always wash and condition my units prior to wearing because I feel like they style a lot better. And then I'm gonna press this on out, okay? And I love that this Yaki straight texture is so low maintenance when it comes to, flat ironing it. It just goes through one pass and gets the job done. And I do like the density of this bob. This is 12 inches, so I feel like, too, for me, this is a perfect, everyday unit, work unit, all of the things. And look how shiny and easy peasy that was to do, okay, in minutes. And I do like that it is a 7x5 closure that I can go glueless with tons of parting space, and the knots are nice and small. Nadula really has stepped up their quality, and I'm loving how flat the top is. There wasn't any filler hair, but being that this lace is super duper thin with that HD-like lace, so I'm excited to go glueless with this one. So I really do love too that it has all these extra pieces of security to go glueless with non-slip technology. It has these silicone bands here, elastic band, and a drawstring to really make sure that my wig stays on without having to use glue. So it's time to put her on. And yes, I'm very impressed. Nadula. Like, they have really improved the quality of their hair too, because I've been wearing Nadula hair for what's going on outside. Oh, I've been wearing Nadula hair for a long time, and I love this drawstring technology because I tighten this up, and now I can go glueless without it moving, slipping, and sliding. So I am going to straighten out the parting just a little bit, and that's real easy to do because there's tons of parting space, and just using a hot comb to just flatten it out. And I love that it has the pre-plucked hairline, making it real easy for me because years ago we had to do all of this stuff manually and it was so hard. And they have just really improved. And I am happy about this. And I really like that there was no filler hair at the top because that could be irritating. And the construction of this wig is very comfortable. It's not pulling anywhere. And the lace is nice and thin because my skin is darker. And lace flashback is always a thing with me. So off camera, I did put a little bit more bronzer around the hairline because I didn't want to do glue. But imagine if I were to glue this down, it would melt effortlessly. So see how that's non-slip? It's not moving. And I do love that this bob is 12 inches, so it sits perfectly on my shoulders, and it has some really nice layers in the very front, face framing layers. So the back is really nice and blunt. The hair feels really good, but I love how the front is shaped for some movement and body, making it look really natural. So she's real cute, real appropriate for every day, but let's curl it to see how, how the layers pop with a nice feathery look, because I love a good feathery bob. And I will say with this Yaki straight texture, I would highly suggest using like a texturizing hairspray because it does feel a little bit silky. And I know sometimes when I'm curling my hair, you need something with just a little more of a hold because of the texture of the hair. So I did curl the hair, and I did put on just a little light hairspray. I do not have a texturizing hairspray, and you're going to see later what I mean by wanting a texture hairspray. And I think that will work. So you see how the layers is pop. It makes the world a difference. So I use the light holding hairspray because I don't want to put a lot of product on this unit and weigh it down because it is more of a fine texture, which looks like my real hair. You know what I mean? So I feel like that is like the big bonus. But when it comes to having the curls hold, I would highly suggest a texturizing hairspray or some flexi rods overnight with a wig. But I'm loving how it looks. It looks very real, very realistic, very natural with the added layers. I feel like the added layers did it. So I want mine to be more voluminous. And that's what I was mentioning before. Having like a textured spray will help me get that look where it can just stay like that. So boom. I love it. I love it so much. It's very grown, very beautiful, very, hi, my name is. How are you? So it's beautiful. I love the color. The fit is very comfortable. I would suggest just, straightening up and touching up the parting with maybe some eyeshadow or in concealer. But I wanted to show you guys exactly how this looks. This lace is so thin. So just make sure that your wig cap doesn't show through the lace. And that's a good problem to have because the lace is so nice and thin. Okay. So I love this look. It looks very like effortless and just easy to wear, easy to put on. And I think this would be great for, if you're a beginner and want to try, wigs that you don't have to do a lot with. So I wanted to see what it would look like with a really pretty like flip over kind of look. I feel like this would look really cute on the beach. Doing some like beach waves. If you curled it a little bit more with a smaller barrel, I think that would be like super cute. So yeah, I really like this look, being that I can wear it in this like flip over kind of like, it gives Oprah very own network. Very Essence, Black women in Hollywood. Very Hollywood, in my opinion, very red carpet look, because I like this kind of like effortless, not too done look, but kind of just easy peasy. And it looks really good. And I feel like this will be great for the workplace. You know what I'm saying? Just do a couple curls and watch those feathers feather. You know what I mean? With these layers. I love these layers. It's super pretty. So yeah, y'all, this is the look. You can do like a ponytail, like, if I want to go work out, get this hair up out my face, I could do that. I'm from the era of the 2000s. I love a little bump. So this is really cute, y'all. So all information about this Nadula hair will be down in the description below for you to check out, okay? And it's just an easy wear. So let me tell you, I did wear this wig for a few days just to see how it would wear without adding any additional curls to the layers or anything. And this is how it looks. Just very worn, very easy, very natural looking. And I got tons of compliments on this unit, especially when I went around my family. They was like, wait a minute, is this your hair? I'm like, no, it's a unit. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, but if you want to watch more of my Nadula hair reviews here on my channel, stick around.